The new insertion into the draft that was rejected by President Museveni omits the requirement to tax any other income of anyone employed as Member of Parliament except salary from being taxed. The activists say this attempt by Members of Parliament to exempt their emoluments from being subjected to income tax is unconstitutional.
Whereas Article 85, subsection 1 of the Constitution allows MPs to determine their emoluments, Article 93, subsection 1, restricts Parliament from proceeding upon a bill and or a motion on financial matters, especially on taxation, unless the motion or a bill is moved on behalf of the government. We therefore find the move by members of Parliament exempt to the Parliament, that the decision by Parliament to grant themselves a tax exemption status is not only injurious to our revenue effort.
Currently, the average basic taxable pay for an MP is 11.18 million Uganda shillings, meaning that one MP contributes at least 3.374 million shillings in taxes. But the pay skyrockets to between 20 and 27 million Uganda shillings when other allowances are included. According to Mukunda, the taxpayer is going to lose 49 billion Uganda shillings at a time when the country needs a mere 4.4 billion to hire 250 science and 100 arts teachers.
This move comes at a time when the country is grappling with paying domestic arrears, paying pensions arrears, as well as buying cars for the entire 437 MPs in the 10th Parliament. We would like to note that whereas the average basic pay of members of Parliament for tax purposes is 11.18 million, and their average contribution to tax is 3.374 million, an MP in Uganda earns anywhere between 20 to 7 million, including...
MPs should instead focus on pushing for a more equitable tax justice system that seeks to increase revenue for the country to address these challenges. Mukunda says MPs are setting a wrong.
This actually is likely to actually widen the inequality gap that is available, existing, and money like that would have been used to support social services.
When the president declined to assent to the income tax amendment bill, he said the decision by Parliament to grant themselves a tax exemption status is not only injurious to the country's revenue, but also not politically and morally correct. The Tax Justice Alliance says it cannot agree more with President Museveni.